reviews best cruiser motorcycles for long-distance riding. Royal Enfield Meteor. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of cruiser motorcycles, specifically those that excel in long-distance riding. We have a real gem to showcase, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. This modern classic offers a blend of old-school charm and modern technology, making it a top choice for long-distance touring. Background and description. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a comfortable and stylish cruiser motorcycle designed for relaxed riding. It's powered by a 349 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising. Key features and benefits. Comfortable ergonomics. The Meteor 350's relaxed riding position and plush seat make for long-distance comfort. Easy handling. The bike's lightweight and low seat height make it easy to maneuver, especially for shorter riders. Modern technology. Features like a digital instrument cluster and USB charging port add convenience to long rides. Classic styling. The Meteor 350's classic design and retro aesthetics appeal to a wide range of riders. Fuel efficiency. The single-cylinder engine offers good fuel economy, making it cost-effective for long-distance touring. Target audience and relevance. The Meteor 350 is ideal for riders who are looking for a comfortable and stylish cruiser motorcycle for long-distance touring. Its relaxed riding position, easy handling, and fuel efficiency make it a great choice for those who want to explore the open road. Expert reviews. The Meteor 350 has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its comfortable ride, stylish design, and easy handling. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The Meteor 350 is a fantastic choice for riders who want a relaxed and comfortable cruiser. It's easy to ride, comfortable, and has a classic appeal." Comparison to other cruisers. While the Meteor 350 may not have the same level of power and performance as larger cruisers, it offers a unique blend of comfort, style, and affordability. Its relaxed riding position, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs make it a compelling choice for long-distance touring. Conclusion. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a well-rounded cruiser motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, comfort, and affordability. Its classic design, modern technology, and relaxed riding position make it a perfect choice for long-distance travel. So, if you're looking for a comfortable and stylish cruiser motorcycle for long-distance touring, the Meteor 350 is definitely worth considering.